Alrighty, everybody. Good old afternoon tie-dye session in the heat. We got two large shirts. Gonna figure out something to do with them.
We think we have a game plan.
Yeah, we think. Sorry for the background noise, people. We live right off the highway.
Yeah. Imagine sleeping here.
Yeah.
Okay. Bull's eye, that's what we're gonna do.
Yeah. One bullseye, one pleated, I think. We're just playing around, people.
So that would be my rubber bands.
Oh, might need those. Babeses must have her bandses. Babeses has to have the bandses, otherwise how are we gonna have banding with Babeses if you got no bandses?
Ew, there's cat hair or dog hair or one of the two in here.
I'm gonna lean dog hair.
Yeah, it looks like Oslo hair.
Outside on the back porch previously.
So I'm gonna guess it's Oslo hair.
Yeah. This one requires some more intricate tying, doesn't it? In the traditional style. And the good old spiral.
Do one more band.
One more just to be safe.
Okay. Well, or should we leave it because we were going to do the rest of the shirt blue?
Whatever you want to do.
Okay. Well, we'll do that for now.
Okay. To the dyeing rack we go.
Shade this time.
Oh.
I'm getting in the shade, man. I can't do this shit.
I get to be the sunny boy. The one with the sunny disposition.
Okay. I'm just gonna hurry.
That is a pretty cool color for one that we made ourselves, you know.
Yes, this is our custom one.
That did pretty good.
She got it back in her mouth.
We have a giant bottle of Glacier now. Look at that. Yep. Oh.
Gotta mix
it in. Is that the citrus yellow?
This is, yes.
Aha, see? Didn't get me this time.
Gotta get a good color gradient with that pink.
Of course.
Make sure we got plenty of yellow.
Get it good. Look at that. Got a good gradient going on already, as we can see. That looks pretty nice. Looking nice already. It is so hot out here.
And then should we do the rest? You just want to do the rest of the shirt in turquoise?
Whatever you want. Whatever you want.
I think we should do that because we got a lot of this turquoise.
That's glacier blue.
I mean glacier, you know, the light blue color.
Okay. That is not the turquoise.
No, it is not.
Spraying from a distance. Trying everything she can to stay in the shade over here.
I don't want to be in the sun anymore.
Need a little awning coming off the fence. Oh yeah, good gradient going. We've done one like this before, but we did it with like a darker colors and black, didn't we? I think that's what we did. We did like a cosmic color scheme with some deep dark colors and then a black overlay.
Dark red, a neon yellow, and like a dark navy blue with black.
Came out really good too. Get in them folds.
Okay.
You gonna call it on that one?
Yep.
Alrighty, there she sits, folks. We'll see y'all tomorrow after we go to the dyeing rack. I forgot. I gotta go to the drying rack. Sorry, getting ahead of ourselves. To the drying rack we go. Now, there she's gonna sit for the next 24 hours. Alrighty, folks. We'll see y'all tomorrow.